Hello guys, welcome back into my fifth video of today on 8th December 2024. Let's start it, without wasting our time. And did you know that the Great Pyramid of Giza is not just a marvel of ancient engineering, but also a gold mine of secrets? And guys, if you have any question about my today's video and about any word, about any single word, about any single thing, must write in the comments. Then I will answer you. Okay, I'm waiting for your questions. And today I am diving into how MrBeast uncovered the hidden truths behind the world's largest pyramid and what it means for finance, business, health, sports, and travel. Okay, first up. First up, finance. The pyramids construction involved massive resources. Think about the economic impact. MrBeast explored how ancient Egyptians managed labor and materials. This ancient model can inspire today's businesses to optimize resources allocation and workforce management. Imagine applying those principles to modern startups and let's talk business and industrial innovation. The techniques used to transport those gigantic stones are still studied by engineers today. MrBeast highlighted how leveraging ancient wisdom can lead to breakthroughs in logistics and construction, making industries more efficient and sustainable. Moving on to health, did you know that the pyramid was built with a focus on worker welfare? MrBeast discovered that maintaining health and fitness was crucial for laborers. This principle is still relevant. Okay, in our fast-paced world, prioritizing employee well-being can boost productivity and morale. And what you are thinking about it? If you have any question, if you want any about detail and you want more and more lesson about any word, about any single thing, must write in the comments. Okay, I'm waiting for you. I will answer you. And speaking of fitness, imagine if we applied the discipline of pyramid builders to our own lives. And MrBeast shared how this historical dedication can inspire us to push our limits in sports and fitness today. Finally, let's not forget travel and tourism. The Great Pyramid attracts millions each year. MrBeast emphasized its potential for economic growth in Egypt. Okay, through sustainable tourism practices, balancing preservation with profit. So there you have it. MrBeast did not just discover the secrets of the Great Pyramid. He revealed timeless lessons for finance, business, health, sports, and travel. Let's take inspiration from history to build a better future. Bye for now. Subscribe for more. If you have any question, must write in the comments. I'm waiting for you. Bye for now.